Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another install on Jordan. So first things first, this is a 30-inch and I want to say 180% density wig, HD lace. The wig was too small, but I'm gonna show y'all how to finesse it because I'm the finesser. Now, I'm not gonna tell y'all what company it is. I mean, if Jordan see this, he can comment down in the comments, but they ain't paying me to shout them out. So I ain't finna shout them out, but I'm finna show y'all how I got this install with the wig being too small because Jordan do got a little head on. So I'm gonna show y'all. First things first is y'all know I do not like doing ball caps, but I'm gonna give y'all an in-depth tutorial on a ball cap because I had a few people asking me. But the reason why I do not do ball caps because to me it's unnecessary. You can get the same melt without a ball cap, and then on top of that, I feel like all those extra glues and gels and all that you using to hold down your ball cap is actually hurting your edges in the long run, because I've seen where some people, like, they can take off their wig real easy, but as soon as they get ready to take off their ball cap, they got little pieces of their edge hairs in it, and I do not like stuff like that. I'm all about protecting your hair, so like I'd rather protect your hair than me trying to follow all the trends and have the best looking ball cap out here. That's just my honest opinion, but you know, everybody else think differently, but it's whatever. So right here, y'all finna see the wig is too small. She really bought the smallest wig possible, I feel like. But y'all see me trying to make it fit and force it to fit. It ain't fitting. It's not, y'all. I tried everything. Like, it was horrible. I tried pulling it down on the back first, then pulling it up. I tried putting it down on the front first, then pulling it to the bite. But y'all see, it's not giving what it's supposed to have gave. So I'm finna show y'all what I do when the wig is too small. So the part between the wig and the frontal part and the rest of the wig, you cut it. You can cut the whole thing off if you want to, or you can just cut a part of it. I usually only cut like a slit on each side, like not too much. You see how I went like right where the comb stopped at? Like that. Like, it's real simple. And then I try to fit it to her head. Like, you see? I use this method a lot though, because for some reason a lot of these wigs has becoming too small for my client's head. So I've been having to like make it work, but of course I'm finna make it work. Like, y'all look at that. Look like ski. Anyway, with the whole ball cap situation, I usually choose a shade darker if I have to put makeup on the cap than my client's skin tone, because if it's lighter, you're gonna be able to see that through the wig, but if it's darker, then you'll be straight. So right here, I'm just applying lace tape. The lace tape I got is from the hair store, y'all. Like, it's different kinds of different hair stores. It's only one hair store in Gainesville. I'm from Florida, y'all. It's only one hair store in Gainesville that got this particular lace tape. All the other ones don't. But all you see me doing is applying the lace tape on top of, basically it's on her skin and on the cap. If you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Like, so it's no glue getting on her actual edges. And that's how I do with all my clients. So all the glue is going on her skin, like forehead part, and then the tape. You kind of see what I'm talking about, because I do have a lot of questions about this tape. So I'm really trying to be very in depth about what's going on. So I ended up adding 4 layers of glue, I want to say, and now all you see me doing is laying down. So what I tell people about this method, if you have to do something and the wig is too small, start off in the middle and then pull the sides to fit, because if you put one side down first and then the other, sometimes either the wig can be off center or it'll ruffle in the middle, and like some of y'all kind of know what I'm talking about, and you do not want that. Like, So all you see me doing now is cutting it with the eyebrow razor. You can choose to cut it with scissors or eyebrow razor. It really don't matter, but it's just what I personally chose to do. And if I'm not mistaken, I used the tan from the True Match Lace Conceal Lace Tint on Jordan wig. But the thing about it, I used to love using their lace tint, but like I've gotten some recently and it's just not what it used to be. Like, the bronze one give off a orange tint, so it's like, I don't know. But I'm finna start giving y'all my honest opinion on a lot of products I use. But this wig, I can say it was thick, the curls was good. It was too freaking small. Like, It's some in plenty wigs that fit on Jordan hair with no problem, and it's some that was too small. But this wig was like just way too small. And then Jordan kind of wanted some simple but extra edges. So, we trying to be simple but extra. So y'all can see my part now. But other than that, I would say this hair is a good 8 out of 10. The curl pattern was good. It didn't tangle up when I washed it. None of that. So it was straight. The lace was good. It was thin. It was true HD lace. The wig was just small. If I remember, next time I give Jordan an install with this wig, I'm gonna give y'all an update about how the wig holding up and stuff like that, because I feel like a true review is when the stylist actually tells you how the wig is, because people just be putting on wigs straight out the box and giving y'all a review. That's not a real review. I want to know how much the hair, like how long the hair lasts and all of that. So right here you see where I cut it out at and where it don't fit. So first thing you want to do is sew down the frontal part. After you sew down the frontal part, you want to try to pull the back of the wig closest to the frontal as you can, and then sew it down. It's not gonna work the way you planned it on to, because it just didn't work out. The style we was gonna originally do, we couldn't because of this situation, so we just ended up with a bust down. But you do that on both sides, and then you see me parting out the hair. You hot comb the hair back over that, so if the wind blow anything, nobody won't be able to see it. What I can say about this wig, it was some initial shedding straight out the pipe, but you get shedding usually when you take out any wig. I'm gonna be honest. When I was installing it, it really wasn't too much. And right here, I'm just doing some baby hair. Jordan wanted some baby hair with some mousse. And I'm against the dryer. I'm not finna lie to y'all. I do not put nobody on the dryer unless I just absolutely positively have to. I hate the dryer, and if you ever got my hair done by me, you know that. But Jordan just wanted to be complicated as always, so I put ass on the dryer. So this is straight from under the dryer, and y'all, this cut always be so satisfying to me whenever you take it off and it's all just so melted. Like, oh, I did that, and it ain't even finished yet. But all I'm doing right here is combing out the baby hairs, and then I'm laying them right back down with hairspray, basically. So it ain't too much. And y'all, Jordan is extra. I swear to God, I ain't burn her. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and come back for more because y'all finna get the honest truth on this channel. Thank you guys again for watching. Make sure y'all comment some video ideas or hairstyles you guys want to see.